Hello friends, we know that in our first lecture we already studied outline classification of plant kingdom. We know that in this paper we are going to study each plant group, and of this plant group today we will discuss about our first plant group, algae. And in algae, we will discuss about general characters and classification of algae. But before studying general characters and classification of algae, we must have some information about such algae. Such term algae was coined in 1753. And the meaning of the term algae is seaweed. Such algae is very important plant group among these thallophyte. And study of algae, or the branch of botany which deals with the study of algae, is called phycology. James Smith in 1955 defined such algae as a simple plant with autotrophic mode of nutrition. Means algae are the simple plants with autotrophic mode of nutrition. This is about introduction of such algae. Then we discuss about general characters. There are many general characters of such algae. And of these, the first and very important character is that algae have chlorophyll bearing autotrophic thalloid plant body. First thing is that algae are chlorophyllous plant. We already studied that. Algae are green plants. They can synthesize their own food. Means chlorophyll pigments are present in algae, therefore they are chlorophyllous. They are autotrophic plant. We already discussed about that. They can synthesize their own food. Means they are autotrophic. Third thing is that plant body is thalloid. We know what is meant by thalloid plant body. When true root, stem, leaves are absent, such plant body is thalloid, and in algae plant body is thalloid. This is first character. Then second general character is that algae are of two types, such as prokaryotic and eukaryotic. There are two types of algae on the basis of nature of cell. There are two types of algae, such as prokaryotic and eukaryotic. In some algae, prokaryotic cells are present. In some algae, eukaryotic cells are present. Pro means primitive, and karyon means nucleus. Means in these algae or in these cells, their nucleus is not well developed. And in some algae, they are eukaryotic. Eu means advanced and karyon means nucleus, means their nucleus is well developed. First we discuss about prokaryotic algae. Prokaryotic algae do not show sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is absent in prokaryotic algae. Then vegetative reproduction, generally vegetative reproduction in algae is by fragmentation, means due to water current, due to fish bite. Algal filament breaks into pieces. Each piece is called fragment, and from such fragment new algae, so each fragment gives rise to new plant or new algae. Such vegetative reproduction is called fragmentation. Then next character is that sexual reproduction also occurs by means of spores. As the algae are included in thallophyte and cryptogam, we know that cryptogams are those plants which reproduce by means of spores. And algae is included in cryptogam, means their sexual reproduction is or their reproduction is by spores. Then we discuss about eukaryotic algae. Eukaryotic algae reproduce by sexual, asexual and vegetative methods of reproduction. Almost all algae, we already studied that. Almost all algae are aquatic in nature. The plant body may range from being unicellular to multicellular. Means there are some algae in which plant body is unicellular, but there are majority of algae in such algae plant body is multicellular. The multicellular complex thalli like lack vascular tissue. Means when plant body is multicellular, in such multicellular plant body vascular tissues means xylem and phloem are absent. Next character is that the sex organs are generally unicellular, but when multicellular, all cells are fertile. Generally, in algae, sex organs are unicellular, but in some algae, sex organs are multicellular, and when sex organs are multicellular, all the cells are fertile. There is no embryo formation after gametic union. In algae, there is no embryo formation, and zygote after union of gamete, zygote is formed, and such zygote undergoes further development either by mitosis or meiosis. Means after formation of zygote undergoes mitosis or meiosis. These are general characters of such algae. Then we discuss about classification of such algae. S.C. Bold and M.J. Wayne, these two scientists, in 1978 classified algae into 9 divisions. Of these, the first is Cyanochlorofita, Chlorophycophyta, Charophyta, Euglenophycophyta, Phaeophyta, Chrysophyta, then Pyrophycophyta, Rhodophycophyta, and Cryptophycophyta. Such classification is mainly based on pigments present in such algae. Understand? Such classification is based on pigments which are present in this algal group. Of this, first we discuss about Cyanochlorofita. This Cyanochlorofita means these algae are also called blue-green algae. And there are 3 orders. Such Cyanochlorofita, such division is again classified into 3 orders. The dominant pigments present in Cyanochlorofita are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, then phycocyanin. These pigments are present in Cyanochlorofita. Then we discuss about Chlorophycophyta. Such division Chlorophycophyta are also called green algae, and there are 15 order or such Chlorophycophyta, division Chlorophycophyta is again classified into 15 orders. The dominant pigment in such plant or in such algae are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotene and xanthophyll. This is about Chlorophycophyta. Then third division is Charophyta. These charophytes are also called stonewort. Members of such division are also called stonewort. And the most important thing about this stonewort is that their thallus is characterized by distinct nodes and internodes. Means on their thallus, distinct nodes and internodes are present. This is about Charophyta. Then fourth division is Euglenophycophyta. In Euglenophycophyta, they are also called euglenoids. And such division is again classified into three orders. In such division, dominant pigments are chlorophyll A and beta carotene. Chlorophyll A and chlorophyll and beta carotenes are present in such Euglena-Phycophyta. Then fifth division is Phaeophycophyta. In Phaeophycophyta, they are also called brown algae, and there are 13 orders of such Phaeophycophyta, and dominant pigments in such Phaeophycophyta are fucoxanthin. Dominant pigments are fucoxanthin. Sixth division is Chrysophycophyta. In Chrysophycophyta or in such division, or they are also called golden or yellow algae. And such division, Chrysophycophyta, is again classified into 4 classes and 14 orders. The dominant pigment which are present in such algae are carotene and xanthophyll. Seventh division is Pyrophycophyta. They are also called dinoflagellates, and such Pyrophycophyta, such division is again classified into 6 classes. The dominant pigments which are present in such division are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, carotene and xanthophyll. Eighth division is Rhodophyta. They are commonly called red algae, and these red algae are again classified into 2 subclasses and 9 orders. The chlorophyll pigments or the pigments present, dominant pigment in such division are phycoerythrin, and the last division is Cryptophycophyta. They are also called cryptomonads, and chlorophyll pigments, dominant pigments are chlorophyll A and chlorophyll C. This is about classification, or this is about general characters and classification of such algae. We take one example of such algae, and such example is Spirogyra. We will, to the next lecture, we will discuss about life cycle of such Spirogyra. Thank you.